Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our presentation. We are a team of 5 members. I myself, as a group leader, Hasib Amin, and with our 4 dedicated members, Sayyid Hassan Ali, Mohsin Mumtaz, and Mahad Musulifkar and Amar Javed. Our project focuses on developing an AI tool for drug interaction prediction. Each member brought their unique skills and expertise, contributing significantly to this app's development. So, our journey began with the idea to create an AI-powered tool that helps users predict potential drug interactions. We recognize the need for such a tool as drug interactions can lead to serious health risks. The main goal was to build a user-friendly app that would take 2 or more drug names and inform users about any potential interactions, preventing adverse effects. So before deploying our app on Hugging Face, we tested the code in Google Colab. Google Colab provided an excellent environment for debugging and testing the app's functionality. We used it to interact with the model, verify predictions, and ensure everything was running smoothly. This step was crucial for catching potential errors before deployment. So, the first step was to create the app.py file. After testing the code, this is the heart of our Streamlit app. We started by importing necessary libraries like Streamlit and Transformers, and then created input fields for users to enter drug names. Finally, we use a pre-trained Hugging Face model to predict interactions between the drugs and displayed the results to the user. Uh, in further slides, I will show you there were some errors while we pre-trained the Hugging Face model. So after creating the app.py file, we created the requirements.txt file to ensure the app ran smoothly across different environments. This step is essential for making the app portable, ensuring that all dependencies are installed correctly when deploying to platforms like Hugging Face. Yes, uh, as we move forward with the deployment of Hugging Face, we encountered a significant issue. The model for drug interaction prediction was not available. Despite trying multiple models, we couldn't find a suitable one that worked as expected. This setback prompted us to search for alternate models and APIs to integrate into the app. After trying various models, we faced another challenge: inaccurate predictions. The models would often result no interaction even when interactions were well known. This was problematic and we need reliable predictions. This led us to explore other data sources and APIs that could provide more accurate and consistent results. So to resolve the issues with the models, we decided to fetch data from the OpenFDA API. This API provides real-time drug interaction data, which we could use to improve our app's functionality. By querying the API with drug names, we obtained a reliable interaction information and displayed it directly in the app, ensuring accurate results for the user. Finally, after integrating the OpenFDA API and refining the app, we deployed it on Hugging Face. The Hugging Face provided an ideal platform for hosting our app, as it supports easy deployment of Streamlit applications. The app was successfully deployed, allowing users to check drug interactions by simply entering drug names into the interface. So thank you for your attention throughout this presentation. We hope you found the journey of building and deploying the drug interaction predictor insightful. So let's look into the app and some work that we did using ChatGPT. First of all, we give prompt to ChatGPT about make a Excel sheet of dataset which include columns drug A, drug B, disease A, disease B, interaction type for machine learning model. We want to build our own model, so he provided us with the dataset. So again, we ask for websites. If this dataset will not work, then we will move towards the websites for dataset. These are the main websites. Drug Bank, a lot of files were available. Similarly, Kaggle and some other common websites. So first of all, we try to build a app, RAG-based application. Here is the prompt. Here I want to create an application in which PDF is already provided. That PDF will be already uh, created by the ChatGPT using online sources, which has the names of drugs and their interactions. And the code will extract the PDF, create chunks, tokenize them, and create embedding and store them in a vector database. We also provided a Grok API and uh, API key will be provided, and we also provided the Grok documentation. So he shared the step-by-step process. This is app.py and requirements.txt. We deployed it on the Hugging Face, but there were some errors. This is the key of the group. The ChatGPT updated the group API key. So after all this deploying different models that were publicly, we were still having facing errors. So after deploying so much models, we faced another challenge: inaccurate predictions. The models would often return no interaction even when interactions were well known. This was problematic. So we thought that rather than a RAG-based application, why not we use some online public available? Why should we build our own model rather than we using some available public models? So we again use these models, but facing the same issue. After that, we sorry for that. After that, we gave him the prompt that create an AI tool that predicts potential interactions between prescribed drugs, helping to reduce adverse reactions. Features were to input fields for two or more drugs, output if their interaction, if any, implementation using public source data. So he again provided us with the app.py and requirements.txt. So we told him about the errors that we were facing still. So he provided us the solution that why don't to resolve the issue. He provided us the solution to fetch data from the OpenFDA API. These API provides real-time drug interaction data that could that we could use to improve our app's functionality. So let me show you our app.py and app.py. So rather than using a model that was not reliable and was giving inaccurate predictions, so we use this API from FDA drug label database. This API provides real-time drug interaction data, which we could use to improve our app's functionality. So this is the app.py and this is the requirements.txt. So let's run the app and check whether it works. Fixing, oh sorry, fixing, and that's paracetamol. Check interaction. Yes, there are 7 drug interactions that this app is showing. And for paracetamol, no interaction found with the suffixing, but suffixing has these issues. So let's change it with some other drug. Yes, it's saying suffixing has these interactions and azithromycin has these interactions. So thank you for your attention. We hope we look forward to any feedback you may have as we aim to continue improving the app and its functionality. Thank you.